And here is how I clean my water so I don't have to dump this whole amount of water out and get all fresh deionized water. This right here is a little de'ionizer filter. I have a water pump right there. It's running at 12 volts, 12 volt line right here. It's kind of neat. I built this all out of acrylic as well. We'll switch here. And so it's pumping water. This rubber stopper right here. See the water coming out. So I've got a line going down far into the tank right here. That's where it's drawing it from. And that comes through this line, through the pump, pumps it up through the instructions of this filter where that water has to go up through it. It cannot be sideways, cannot be down, because then it won't go through enough of the resin beads and it won't get filtered enough. So then finally it comes out here and then it's just going right back into the top of the tank. It was up to, after filling that balloon up there, it was up to 2 TDS and it's already down to 0. So I can shut it down. I just wanted to show you guys. So, kind of neat.